I bought a Wang, but it's the wrong color. Let's paint it. Okay, you filthy animals. We have the Wang. She's pretty. She's covered in dog hair. Yeah, so it's blue. It's a very nice blue. My car is not blue. We're gonna have to give her a cheeky sand and then try and paint it. I don't have the paint for my car yet, but it's on the way. I'm just gonna sand it and prime it for now. I've never painted anything and it turned out good in my life. Hi, Luna. So I got a little sanding block and some sandpaper, a plethora, if you will, of sandpaper, and I'm just gonna go ham and hope that it turns out okay. I feel like I should be able to tell the difference, but I can't. That might be a problem. Who wrote this? All right. Any last words? So, I mean, the paint on it isn't terrible. There's a little bit, as you can see right here, there's a little bit of sun kiss, if you will, which is kind of the main point of me doing this, because like the underneath is perfect, pretty much, but I would like to have something for the paint to adhere to, you know? Why? I don't think I'm doing this right. We're going up to 1,000. I think. I'm not gonna lie. Sanding is tiring stuff. I don't know how people do full cars. I don't think I'm getting any better than that. The main goal was getting all of the burnt clear coat smooth, and it's smoother. So I'll take that as a win. I'm going to clean it up, then I'm gonna mock it up to the car. Drill some holes, cry a little bit probably. Future CJ can worry about that. But for now, that's the plan for this. So I found many ways of doing this, of lining up or mapping out the holes you're going to drill. I'm going to do it one of two ways. I'm going to tape over this, I'm going to mark where the holes are, I'm going to take it off, and I'm going to lay that reverse side on the car. Right? That sounds like it should work. I might mess it up at some point, but let's do it. All right, it's time to test fit. So what we're gonna try out, I'm gonna put the bolts in, okay? I'm gonna put the bolts in, and then I'm gonna put, shout out to Eliminate, I'm gonna put hot sauce on the ends and place it down, and that's gonna tell me roughly where the holes are supposed to be. And I'm also going to lay down the tape, just in case that one fucks up. We have our Trader Joe's hot sauce and a couple of drill bits. You can choose not to do this. You can pick the easy way out. You don't have to drill into your car. You don't. Dab there, little dab there, little dab there, little dab there. You can still choose to not do this. There's still time. You don't have to. Okay. right, now we're going bigger. All right, I'm gonna mock up this side. Now we're putting in the third brake light, which goes on top of the wing, or right in the middle of the wing. It's a cute little addition. I like it. I didn't think we'd actually have the wiring for it, but I guess there is just an empty plug-in right there, so sick. Okay, so a couple of things. The third brake light needs a hole, quite a large hole, in order to feed the wiring through, and then you gotta, I don't know how I'm gonna figure that out, but I will. And it also needs a new plug, because the third brake light on the 2007 is in the middle on this lip thing, and the light is different. It's not an LED light, so the 2-pin is different, so I have to change the plug on both ends, on the male and female, in order to... That's boring. Let's drill a hole. Okay, the hole fits, but I have to like sneak it through. I'm very tired. I'm really tired. I did get a little touch-up pen, so try and avoid some rust. So to try and avoid some rusting, I think I will just cover it. I think I will just cover it with silicone later, but at least for now, this will do. All right, the wing is on. And ain't going nowhere.